Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is April 12th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up a little bit today, up $11. That's good for 1.13%, closed at 986.95. Post market, we are down $2.41. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Yesterday, we lost an interesting support line at 1023.11 right here. So we stayed above that line for 3 days, and we broke it yesterday, and we also broke $1,000 yesterday. We could not gain $1,000 back. We came up to 1023.11 during the day. Look at this perfection here. This is right there, 1023.11. The actual high is 1021, but 1023 is pretty damn close. So it's within 1/10 of 1%. That's pretty great to see this. Probably. So one thing that could be happening with this is that this is a pullback. And if that resistance is holding, then we are furthering our descent. So this is completely possible. Then we need to check, are we going to bounce on these two support lines that have been with us for a long time, or are we going to bounce on this? So this is what we need to look for. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand if there's not something special that we can gather here. Okay, we had this intraday downward resistance right here. So we open the day here. So we crossed it, and then we glided along that resistance. So this is a clear case of a double resistance. So sometimes when we break a resistance, but we see that break is really following another resistance, it's because there is another resistance right there. And it happens very often to have this kind of double resistance, double support, and this is a great example of that. So this is still going down. Look at stochastic below 60. Stochastic below 60 is not good when you want to go long. That's the end of this. Let's go back to the daily chart. Stochastic at 58. So we lost our stochastic over 60 for long moves. So we lost that. Technically, we should be going down. This is what this means. MACD crossed over bearish. So the blue line went crossed below the orange line. That's a bearish signal. Another bearish signal is when these two lines, which are at 33.84, if you look on the left, at 33.84 and 45.56, these two lines are above zero. And when they are going to cross below zero, this is going to be a further sign of bearishness. But there's already one sign of bearishness. This is why I do these green thumb up and down to tell you how to interpret these indicators. And RSI below 50, that's a bearish sign. And DMI, the green line over the red line means that this is a bullish sign. So this is there to teach you a little bit how these indicators are working. And if you watch my videos every single day, you will see how the stock is moving and how the indicators are showing this. So with the two together, the moves of the stock and the behavior of the indicators, this is how we can decide if we want to sell or buy. I will not tell you when to sell or buy. This is a very personal financial decision, but I'll try to show you all of the ingredients upon which you can base your decision. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.